Krishna lives in the spiritual sky, beyond this material sky, very high. And Krishna, Loka, the planet of Krishna, is the topmost planet in the spiritual world. That is stated in the Brahma Samhita. Goloka namni nijadhamni tale chatasya. The topmost planet is Goloka. Goloka Vrindavan planet. You have seen the picture. It is lotus-like. So Goloka namni nijadhamni. That is his personal abode. Tale chatasya. Below that, Goloka namni nijadhamni tale chatasya. Below that planet, Goloka namni nijadhamni tale chatasya Devi Mahesha Hari Dhamasu. Devi, this universe, this material universe is called Devi Dham. Devi Dham means under the protection or supervision of Mother Nature. That is called Devi Dham, material nature.